yourself, please.
I'm Boris Vendervorst. I'm the president of World Boxing.
Tell me about your visit to Jamaica today.
I'm visiting Jamaica these days because Steve Bomber is one of the greatest friends of mine in the boxing. He was the one who was part of the first inaugural Congress for World Boxing, the founding member for World Boxing, and he was also a member of the Olympic Commission within World Boxing. And he is now the board member of the Pan American Confederation, and he's a true leader here in the region.
What are your expectations of your visit?
My expectation is that together with Steve Ballmer, the president of the Jamaican Federation, that we together are discussing the opportunities for boxing here in the region and how we can develop boxing in a way that we are using the potential that the Caribbean region has for future generations.
Based on what you're seeing for 2028, are your expectations high enough where you will be able to see Caribbean, in particular Jamaican boxers at the Olympics?
First of all, I'm still very happy that boxing is re-included in the relay program for 28. So that's great news. And now the real work is starting for everyone to develop boxers and to organize competitions, high quality competition with fair and transparent results, bout results. And I think that's really important, and that we can develop the potential that the Caribbean region has. And I'm really happy to do this together with the president of the Jamaica Federation, Steve Bomber.
Even though this is an historic visit, can we expect you as president to visit Jamaica more than one time during your tenure?
Yes, I think so. The president is a long-time friend of mine, and he is doing a great job here in the region, and he is really very active within world boxing. So we can expect more for world boxing here in this region.